Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today we are going to learn about how we can fetch data from Hacker News API. So let's get started. So now open your VS Code. Uh, Create two files. One is index.html and one is app.js. So now inside index.html we will just have a simple HTML template, okay, which will have just a small title, how to fetch data from Hacker News API. And inside the body tag we will have a script tag which have a source property set to app.js which we have created, and just save it. That's it for the syntax.html. So now inside this app.js we will create a checklist like what all we require. First is the URL. Okay, we are URL of URL of the news API. Okay. And next is the URL for a particular news item. Okay, and next we will fetch data. Okay. For that we will write a function, and again for showing the data also we will create a function. Okay. So this is a checklist. So our top stories URL is equal to that URL, and now we will create a URL for the new news item. Name it as news item URL. Okay, additional data with it. We are not going to create any UI for it, so we will just display our data in the console window. We create a function named as a fetch data, which will have a URL as a parameter in it, and we will return a promise. So promise takes two things, one is resolve and one is reject, and we will now use the fetch API and pass URL as its parameter, and then we'll return a response for it. Response.res.json, and again we will use capture that data from that response. Okay. So now, and after that we will catch error, and for error we will reject it, and for the output and for the result we are using result. So now after that we will write a function for show data. And inside this we will have a variable. So basically show data is an asynchronous function, so that we can use await. And inside that parameter we will use top stories URL, and now we will console log this data, and outside that we will call show data. Okay. Now on the right hand you can see we get a list of IDs, which is basically news items, and we got around 500 news IDs. Okay. So now we can't do anything with this news ID, right? So we want actual news. Okay, now we will use map function with this data to iterate over each IDs, and we will use a variable news data to store our news item, each news item value. So we will use await to fetch data from news item URL, and t inside these each IDs are stored, and finally .json. And since we have used await, we have to call this as an asynchronous function. That's why otherwise it will throw an, and we will now console log this news data. So now as you can see, we are getting data, actual news data, okay, like title, type, URL of that actual news. So in this way we can access the news. In this way we can fetch data from the news API. So what makes it different is like in a normal API we will have a only single fetch call, in that we can have a data, but here we have to first fetch the list of IDs, then again using that ID we have to make another call to fetch actual news item. Similarly we have a Pokey API which also like have a kind of similar thing we have to do for fetching that also, so that you can try it out. So thanks for watching this video. Hope you like this video. So please like, if you like this, please like, share and subscribe. Stay tuned for more videos.